Your Alpha Omega again? Where am I again? Look at these beautiful flowers. Mother Nature. So many presents. Look around me. We have some roses over there. And walk with me, sweethearts. What do we have here? Nice. Is that not beautiful? Hmm? See this. And the people are really taking care of the flowers. Oh. Ambrosia. I wish you have a nice day. That was a little bit motivation so that you're not so depressed. Anti-depression. We just say depression, ciao ciao. I still remain your Alpha Omega. I hope you ate something. Have a nice day.